Hello students, welcome. In this video, we are going to talk all that you need to know about NIT Warangal. Let's get into it. So first thing is we'll focus on some general introduction. NIT Warangal was originally called as REC Warangal, Regional Engineering College, oldest REC in the country, established in 1959. The area of the campus is around 250 acres, pretty high. Of course, Rourkela is very, very big, 1200 acres campus. And in NIT Warangal, there are 13 branches, departments together. And of course, you have BTech and then BSc, MSc, MTech, you have dual degree courses, 5-year courses, PhD. There are many courses that are offered here. So let's get into the further ranking and all that. First thing what I'll do is just to understand where NIT Warangal stands, I'm taking the overall list. So what I did was I take the top 10 NITs and we are trying to understand the closing rank for computer science engineering in 2023. So these are the tier 1 NITs. Totally there are 31 NITs, you must be knowing it. These are the first category of 10 NITs that we are talking about. In that you see top rank is NIT Trichy. And NIT Warangal stands at the 3rd rank based on the demand from the students. So here you see OS meaning other state, HS meaning home state. These are the marks and this is the rank. So imagine that you are focusing on NIT Warangal. If a student is coming from Telangana state, that means for him, NIT Warangal will be home state department. And for the other students coming from maybe Rajasthan, or maybe Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, other states that they are coming from, and NIT Warangal, you'll be accounted as other state student. So in that case, you will see that the rank for other state students is slightly better compared to home state student. That's usually the case. Total number of seats are almost equally divided between home state and other state. So 50% will go to home state students and remaining 50% will go to the other state students. So NIT Warangal, if you wanted a computer science engineering in 2023 and you are from Telangana, your rank is supposed to be somewhere around 3000. Okay. So for you to get 3000 rank, 2023, the marks were somewhere between 200 to 240. If the paper was tough, the cutoff was less. If the paper was easy, cutoff was more there. So because you know that every phase they conduct nearly 10 papers and some papers are tough, some papers are easy. So approximately 220 marks on an average, if you are maintaining during mock test, you can think about NIT Warangal computer science engineering, and that too if you are a Telangana student. But if you are from other states, maybe Andhra Pradesh or Gujarat or other states, if you are coming from, then these marks may not be enough. Probably about 5 to 6 marks you need to get extra. All right. So this is the marks you are supposed to have so that you will have 2400 rank as a closing rank to get a computer science engineering in NIT Warangal, and accordingly you can have it. You can take a screenshot and analyze it. So let's go into further details of NIT Warangal. So what I do is first I'll take the 4-year courses. These are the 4-year courses offered by NIT Warangal as of now. Computer science engineering is number 1 anyway, because there's a lot of demand. The top rankers go for it. Mathematics and computing is a newly introduced branch. Only very recently they have introduced, and it has got a lot of demand. You see that even in IITs also, mathematics and computing has been received very well. So because the demand is very high in terms of the job opportunities. You can go into software jobs, you can go into finance jobs, and you can also go into data scientists and all that. So more opportunities for us. That's why it is getting a very good demand. And after that, you know, electronics and communication engineering, it's a very old branch. It stands there. In addition to that, they have floated one more branch recently. This is VLSI. VLSI meaning very large system integration, design and technology. This is also specific to us, very much in demand now. This is standing at 4th position, and remaining branches are all old branches. Biotechnology was introduced in NIT Warangal first time compared to all other NITs. So that's also having a very good ranking. Okay, if you want to get NIT Warangal, right, biotechnology is the least preferred one out of all the branches. So in 22, you are supposed to get around 140 marks, probably 150 marks and 41,000 rank approximately if you are a home state. And you see, if you are other state student, you needed to have 30,000 rank approximately, maybe 29,000 rank. But when it came to 2023, so you had to be around 40,000 rank when you are home state, meaning earlier it was 41,000, now it has become 40,000, meaning demand is increasing for this biotechnology at the home state level. And if you look at the other state people, their demand is going down. Earlier it was 29,000, now it has gone up to 31,192. So biotechnology, home state people are going for more demand, and whereas other state students, they are showing a lesser demand for in NIT Warangal. So accordingly, you can look at it. If you want a computer science engineering, you had to have around 230, 240 marks in that range in 2022, right? Other state. And if you go for a home, if you come to 2023, you needed to have around how much? 220 marks. So again, it depends on the paper difficulty. Look at the ranks here. Around 2000, whether it is home state or the other states, right? It's not much difference, right? About 100 ranks, you may have 4 marks different. That's all, not much difference. Home state, other state, nearly 2000 rank, you are supposed to maintain in 22. But when it came to 23, home state demand had gone down, but other state demand is almost maintained the same. Overall, this is what you are standing with. So you can take a screenshot of it and analyze it. These are the branches you have. All right, let's get into the further analysis. So we'll go into the details now. In-depth analysis, we'll have it. Now, in addition to these 4-year courses, I will introduce even the 5-year courses also. These are the dual degrees. MSc and BSc you will have together. They're going to get you both the certificates together at the end of 5 years. So now these are arranged in the alphabetical order. Biotechnology, chemical engineering, civil, computer science engineering. This is the most sought after one, you know it. Electrical and electronics engineering, and then electronics and communication engineering. This is a newly established one, right? Mathematics and computing, these two are newly introduced one. Mechanical engineering, evergreen. It has been there all the times, and it is at the same location. Metallurgical and material engineering, this is a bit more in chemistry compared to all other branches. This one has got a bit more chemistry. Even in, of course, chemistry is not a graduate BTech one. It is a MSc, BSc kind of a thing. So these are the options we have here. Now you can closely look at it. I had given the ranks, closing ranks, based on the category also. So probably you can have a screenshot of it completely and then analyze it carefully. I'll just take out few things and explain to you. Now, for example, I'll take computer science engineering, 4-year course, and general category, if you consider other state, home state. Other state, 899 rank, home state, 1894. And this is opening rank, and this is going to be closing rank. Opening rank and closing rank. Same 4-year course, if you go for general EWS, 1280 and 1656, other state and home state opening rank. Accordingly, these are the closing ranks. Similarly, you can go for OBC, SC, ST. So this is what you have. Generally, for ST students, the cutoff will be lesser compared to the other category. So if you go for ST students, you needed to have 277 rank, closing rank in that category to get a computer science. To get a computer science, it is supposed to be how much? 174, is it? 174 if it is other state, and 78 if it is a home state. Usually it should be other way around. Home state demand has to be more compared to the other state. But for computer science engineering, especially in ST category, the demand is slightly reversed there. Of course, the rankings are given differently. These are not the common ranking list. This is only category-wise ranking that you have it. So you take a screenshot of it and try to analyze it. Now that you have the results with you, you can check whether you are getting it or not. The most important thing is, if you are very far away from these expected ranks, then you just leave it. Don't waste your time thinking about it. I may get it and all. You go on for the next option. If you are somewhere closer to it, then maybe you can wait. If you are within it, you can start preparing for the documentation and all for the counseling purpose. So don't wait too much if you are not within that particular range, because the cutoffs will not change much. Usually it will be on the same order you will have it. Okay, so that's what about it. And then let's get into the recruitment process. I just wanted to give analysis over the years how it has happened. In the year 2021, 186 companies have approached NIT Warangal for the recruitment process, and 22 it has increased to 21, and then finally 275. So that's how it has gone. Of course, during COVID time, 2021 COVID effect is also there. But still 186 companies during that time is a very big number, definitely. So totally, if you look at it, these are the jobs that they are giving. Overall, on an average, if you consider, there are 4 categories of jobs that we have. One is the analyst one, right? This comes into like strategy, and then we also have consultancy, data science engineering, all those things will come here in analyst part. This is SDE, meaning software development engineering. This is one part, which is bulk. You see, majority of the seats are given here, and the jobs are gone there. Then core jobs meaning your own department. If you are mechanical engineering department and you take a mechanical engineering related course jobs there, that is what you have, core engineering. Likewise, other branches you have it. Others meaning you have administrative jobs, management jobs, sales, marketing, all other things will come. So those will come in here. If you look at all the jobs that are available, the bulk of the jobs are given either for software development or for core jobs. The remaining jobs are lesser in number. Of course, these analyst jobs will get higher pay package, but the numbers are less. Competition is high for it. So that's what it is usually. Accordingly, you can plan demand where you have more demand, where should you focus your time on these 4 years, you can analyze it accordingly. So then we go for packages, salaries, all that. CTC meaning cost to company, including taxation, everything. What is the total that the company is owing to you, and also including government, like you have perks, you might have everything put together, total cost, total number of students placed, and the placement percentage and all that I'm giving here. Let's look at it here. Let's focus on this. This is one part, and this is another part. Over here, you look at it. This is in 2023. This has been the situation we have here. You look at the people who have got their salary less than 10 lakhs. 402 students got salaries less than 10 lakhs. Less than 10 lakhs meaning about what? 10 lakhs meaning 75,000, 80,000 per month. 85,000 approximately. So 402 students got salary less than 10 lakhs in NIT Warangal. So don't think like crores and crores will come for every student. There are salaries, but not for everybody. There's a lot of competition also for it. And you go for the highest package, more than 50 lakh, if you consider, only 28 students got it. So you have highest package jobs there, but they are going to be lesser in number. 28 members got more than 50 lakhs here. And then bulk of the jobs will be over here. You see this 590, this is the highest number. And you see the salaries between 10 lakhs to 20 lakhs. 10 lakhs to 20 lakhs is the salary maximum number of students get. In fact, average salary in NIT Warangal last year is around 16 lakhs, 16 to 17 lakhs. So there you see maximum number of students getting. And then the next one is 20 to 30 lakhs, 200. Even that is also reasonably big number. And then 30 to 40 is also a good number. You see, these are also reasonably good numbers. But the moment you go beyond 40 lakhs, the numbers are very limited, very, very limited. You have it. So this has been the situation. So you understand the salary. If you are going into NIT Warangal, it can be as low as 7 lakh, 8 lakhs, maybe 5 lakhs also. And it can also be as high as 1 crore, 1.2 crore. But this is in 2023. If you join now, you'll be coming out in the year 2027. So 4 years probably, you will get much more increment there. Probably it might be more also, because the trend is good nowadays. Of course, at this point in time, there is a recession going on, not necessarily recession, but there is a slowdown because of artificial intelligence. Many IT redundant jobs have been removed. So that problem is also there. But still, NIT Warangal, NITs are doing really good in terms of the recruitment process, you see. And now let's look at the comparison here, 21, 22, 23, if you focus on. In 2021, highest package was 51 lakh. In 22, it was 62.5 lakh, and 23, 88 lakh. So highest package is increasing over the years. 21 is supposed to be worse comparatively, you know, because of the pandemic and all that. But you see the growth is there. Definitely things are becoming much better. And also, if you look at the number of students who are getting placed in the companies, right? So in 21, it is 868 students who got placed. 72% only got placed there. And 22, it became 1132. Yes, definitely number has increased. Even percentage of recruitment also got increased there. Then in 23, 1400 students. That's very good number. And you see the percentage of students who are getting placed in the companies immediately after their graduation is 82%. That's what you have. Please understand. All people will not be placed, even if you are coming from NIT Warangal. There are people who are coming from NITs not getting jobs. So if you look at 18%, those 18%, all of them may not be jobless. There could be other categories, like some of them may be going for higher studies, like post-graduation in USC or some other places. So that is also one possibility. Some other students might be starting their own companies, and some of them might be preparing for UPSC examinations. So those things are also there. But definitely there will be a few percentage of people who are not able to get a job. That's also a possibility. So please have a look at it. Definitely much better than other institutes like local institutes, but still you are not going to be 100% guaranteed. Just because you enter into NIT, your life is settled, you can't say that. You will have to work accordingly, right? So with that, I'll conclude here. I think you got the information. I didn't want to give you too much of information also. I just gave you overall idea. So with that, I hope you will be able to assess what is expected and all that. Later on, we'll go for the other NITs also. I'll try to give you information. So keep posting, right? If you have any doubts, you can also comment in the comment box there, and let us know what are the other information you might want to know. We'll be very happy to share that information. With that, I'll conclude here. Thank you very much.